Newborn baby care tips for beginners. Hello, dear viewers, and welcome back to my Mum's Choice. Today, we have a special video for all the new parents out there. Newborn baby care tips for beginners. Bringing your bundle of joy home is a magical moment, but it comes with its fair share of questions and uncertainties. Don't worry, we have got you covered. Let's dive right in. Creating a safe environment. First things first, ensure that your home is a safe haven for your baby. Baby proofing is essential. Cover electrical outlets, secure furniture, and keep small objects out of reach. Feeding your newborn. Feeding is a crucial aspect of newborn care. Whether you choose breastfeeding or formula feeding, it's important to establish a feeding routine that suits both you and your baby. Diapering and hygiene. Keeping your baby clean and dry is essential. Learn the art of diapering and maintain good hygiene practices to keep your little one comfortable. Soothing techniques. Newborns can get fussy. Discover effective soothing techniques like gentle rocking, swaddling, and playing soft lullabies to help your baby sleep peacefully. Bonding and playtime. Bonding with your newborn is a beautiful experience. Engage in skin-to-skin contact, talk to your baby, and introduce age-appropriate playtime activities. And there you have it, newborn baby care tips for beginners. We hope you found these tips helpful on your parenting journey. Remember, every baby is unique, so trust your instincts and cherish these precious moments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for joining us today, and we will see you in the next video.